Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains forward edge steering pulling and discusses likely reasons why the vehicle may tend to drift or pull to one side while driving. Steering pull can affect driving comfort and control and is often noticeable during straight-line driving on level roads. Steering system design, suspension geometry, and drivetrain layout can vary by model year and configuration, so this condition may not apply the same way to every forward edge. Based on documented automotive service and chassis system information, steering pulling may indicate conditions related to wheel alignment characteristics, suspension geometry changes over time, or factors that influence how evenly the vehicle tracks on the road. Road surface conditions, tire wear patterns, or load distribution could be a potential contributing factor. Older generations may experience gradual changes due to component wear, while newer models could show different tendencies depending on suspension design and usage patterns. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally involve inspecting steering and suspension-related components and confirming that vehicle alignment and setup remain within manufacturer specifications. Proper diagnosis helps determine whether the pulling is related to normal operating influences or a condition that requires corrective service. In summary, steering pulling on a forward edge can result from multiple factors depending on vehicle age, configuration, and driving conditions. Accurate inspection is important to ensure stable handling and predictable steering behavior. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.